The serene grounds of Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha, reverberated with the essence of tranquility and holistic well-being as the institution, in collaboration with the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, New Delhi, hosted the Grand Yoga Utsav 2024 on the 5th of April, a day filled with yoga, reflection and spiritual rejuvenation. The event, which commenced as a 77-day countdown to the 10th International Day of Yoga on 21st June, unfolded with a sense of auspiciousness and purpose. The inaugural session, held from 6 am to 8 am at the Centurion University Open Playground, witnessed esteemed dignitaries including Ms. Soumya Rani Goudas, District Program Manager of the National Health Mission (NHM), Professor Anita Patra, Registrar of the Centurion University, Odisha, and Dr. Durga Prasad Pari, Director Administration of CUTM Parlakmundi campus, who inaugurated the proceedings by lighting the ceremonial lamp and offering floral tributes to Lord Jagannath. Addressing the gathered, the guest emphasized the paramount importance of good health and urged participants to embrace a lifestyle imbued with wellness and its efficient time management. The practical session commenced with the rendition of the Common Yoga Protocol by Mr. Pradeep Kumar Sahu, the yoga faculty and the coordinator of the event, captivating the participation of over 500 enthusiasts comprising students, faculty, and staff of Centurion University, as well as the members of various organizations such as NCC, NSS, Anganwadi workers, ASHA workers, local Ayush yoga instructors, and general yoga practitioners. Addition to the allure of the event were mesmerizing artistic yoga demonstrations presented by the students of Centurion Yoga Club and Sri Jagannath Yoga Academy, Puri. A moment of reverence and appreciation unfolded. The Yoga Bandhu Award 2024 was conferred upon 4 distinguished yoga gurus, Professor Praful Kumar Panda, Professor Balaji Padi, Professor Gyanendra Kumar Mishra, and Professor Pradeep Kumar Sahu, in recognition of their exemplary contributions to the field of yoga education and promotion. The festivities continued into the afternoon with the commencement of the second session at the auditorium, Centurion University, Parlakmundi campus, from 3 pm to 5 pm. This session featured 3 technical sessions led by luminaries in the field, including Dr. Ishwar B. Vasarvadi, ex-director of Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Dr. Swayam Prabha Satpathy, Professor at the Department of Humanities, SOA University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and Architecture Rupal Shah, Assistant Professor at the School of Architecture, Sri Sri University, Cuttack, Odisha. As the day drew to a close, participants departed with a sense of inner peace and renewed commitment to the practice of yoga, fortified by the knowledge and inspiration gained from the Yoga Utsav 2024. Hope you enjoyed and welcome you all to celebrate in coming International Yoga Day.